Hey Nick, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, I'm just stopping by to see if we are ready for shooting today.
Yeah, I'm just running through a promotion.
Well, tell me about it.
So it's 3 days only, October 26th to 28th.
Oh.
Lots of incentives though. So we've got instant cash savings on in-stock new and used vehicles.
Even the 24s?
Even the 24s, right? Unbelievable.
Yeah.
5 years prepaid maintenance on select in-stock new
Are you
cars.
kidding me? That's more than what I have on my T1.
Right.
Yeah.
$750 winter tire rebate on remaining 2023
Hey,
Taos.
look outside.
I know, right? It's snowing right now.
Look, I know.
And then finance rates starting from 4.99 for new and certified
Hey,
pre-owned.
thank God they came down
Right?
a little.
Finally, Volkswagen's doing us nice this month.
I know.
And then if you're planning on trading, there is a $500 bonus.
Hey, when are we telling the people about this?
I don't know yet, but there's one more thing too.
All right.
If you do end up purchasing a vehicle, you will be entered into a $1,000 cash draw.
Oh, cash is very convenient these days.
It is.
I got an idea. Why don't we tell them right now? Hey guys,
It's Nick,
and this is Andrea.
and starting October 26th all the way to 28th, we have our Halloween sale. All the incentives I just listed, you can come and check them out on select new vehicles and used, of course.
This is an amazing sale. We will remind you that we are located at 1120 Meridian Road. We're gonna have donuts. The whole showroom is gonna be decorated. And stop by and see what Fifth Avenue Volkswagen is all about.
Volkswagen.